Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover the DJI Inspire 3 launch that happened yesterday. Our second story will be about a Florida Chinese drone ban that went into effect. And finally, we'll talk about Super Mario Bros. Drone Light Show. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Falcon UAS Technologies is looking for a remote UAS pilot. Professional Drone Solutions is looking for a drone pilot in Naples, Florida. Gunstock 3D is looking for a 3D drone pilot in Guilford, New Hampshire. And Constellation Clearsight is looking for a drone operator in Denver, Colorado. With that said, let's fly in. Our first story covers the DJI Inspire 3 launch that officially happened yesterday. The Inspire 3 is arguably the most anticipated DJI launch of 2023 and really of the last several years. The last model in the Inspire series, the Inspire 2, came out way back in 2016, the same year the FAA released the Part 107 rules. Let's go over some of the awesome specs that are built within it. It has a compact and modern design, a 1 and 1.8 inch sensor night vision FPV camera, offers 161 degrees ultra wide field of view, and a 1080p 60 frames per second video feed. It goes up to 58 miles per hour or 94 kilometers per hour, has a 28-minute max flight time, has a repeatable routes function, and offers an 8K camera with a full frame sensor. It also comes with some awesome new shooting angles like the tilt boost mode. The only small thing is that it's priced at $16,499. Now, this makes sense since it's mainly used on film sets or other professional projects, but it is a little sad that the Inspire 3 is 5 times more expensive than the Inspire 2. But all around, it looks like an amazing drone and I can't wait to see the shots that will be filmed on it. Our next story goes over a Florida Chinese drone ban and how it's causing first responders to ground their fleets. Last year, the state of Florida announced that it would adopt the Pentagon's Blue UAS requirements for its own state agencies. At the time, the announcement caused concerns among those who worked in those agencies and especially those working in police and fire departments. The requirement would effectively ground their fleets and halt drone operations. Now that the rule has gone into effect in Florida, all Chinese drones have been essentially banned since there are none on the list of the approved vendors. And as predicted, first responders are now left without the ability to use their drones. There are no funds to replace them, which is an effort that will probably cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, which wasn't considered as the rule was being made into law. And to clarify, almost all of these drones are made by DJI. And finally, if you haven't watched the new Super Mario Bros. Movie, you can get a taste for it with some drones. Recently, a drone light show was put on just south of the Santa Monica Pier in Los Angeles, California to promote the new film. The show was sponsored by Nintendo and featured over 600 light show drones, creating iconic Super Mario characters in the night sky like Mario, Luigi, and Bowser. And also, let us know if you've seen Jack Black's new song as Bowser. I, for one, think it's pretty good. To watch the full video, click the link down below. And before we wrap up, here are some of the week's photo and video submissions to share with you all. Alright, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What are your thoughts on the Inspire 3? And what do you think about the drone ban in Florida? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend. And to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.